Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so in this video, I want to show you how to make a prototype on Figma for your UI design. For this material, we use a wireframe size and with size 3. Okay, just to the application, and with this I use application. Okay, and this I have a project of, for example, you can make it first, and now I just make for the prototyping and going to wire and wiring. Okay. Example, I have a full slide, and after you're done, you make like this, and they go to prototype. And the files we use custom sites because we wireframe that cannot device with a wireframe. So we custom size with use 1440, and the height is let's see, uh, 180. Okay, then we create a cable. And first, if you like this, you like the page, and for this button, we click and drag to the next page. And this next page, the page can scroll, and to navigate, we choose solve. The you can dissolve instant or spot animate, and I use dissolve first, and the time use 100 seconds. Oh, cannot. Okay, I know. And then the next flow. With that, we start the flow starting point in here in first test, that is the new page, and then we make a new flow with home and drag to the row. The second page, the home page, there we make uh, the flow to the first page and first page, and this and others we make and drag to the second frame or second. Okay, we use the same effect result. Okay, and then we make a for a sign up. There's a sign up page. We click to the sign up page and hit to. For sign up, we sign up, and the login is login. And here's a many imagine for this. Oh, if you can like this, is can working. You can hold your keyboard that is control and drag to the login to the here. And if you already have an icon login, drag to here. And for sign up, let's look at and for login, same to sign up. Sign up is go to here and have here. Okay. For this button, we do not use. And if we want to back to the home page, I mean the page, hold the control key and drag to the first page. And this same the main page or landing page. And then Oh, for sign up, we still in here. Okay. But for the login page, just drag and make what is optional. And the hotel in third frame, same and drag drag to the second page. And the fourth page, same, the hotels, drag to the second page. Okay. And we test first. It has the same, have a good problem. Oh, wait, sorry. Sorry. We'll start. But that is your device is your custom size. What is 1044 and the head is 1980. Okay, let's see. It is terrible. Okay, we try one more time and what happened? Okay, and let's see. If this button is clicked, it happened. Okay, you go to the next page. And for sign up, okay, for login, to working, login, Akunya besok gimana bisa? Figma bisa. Akunya besok videonya. Kan ada if you want to back, uh, it's working. Yeah, maybe that's the example for the samples for the UX or user experience for the for typing in Figma, and hope you can do and try yourself from your Figma. Okay, maybe that's all for you. Thank you for nice attention. I sorry if I have mistakes and wrongs. As I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.